Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into the importance of sleep hygiene and sharing some essential tips to help you get a better night's rest. We all know how crucial sleep is for our physical and mental health, but so many of us struggle to get a good night's sleep consistently. We're constantly bombarded with stresses, from work deadlines to family obligations, and it's easy to let sleep fall by the wayside. But trust me, prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do for your overall well-being. Throughout this video, I'll be breaking down the key components of good sleep hygiene and providing you with actionable steps to improve your sleep quality. So let's get started. Our bodies crave routine, and that includes when we sleep and wake up. Think of your body like an orchestra with all these different systems working together. When you maintain a consistent sleep schedule, you're essentially providing the conductor's baton, keeping everything in sync. A regular sleep-wake cycle helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, known as your circadian rhythm. This internal clock is influenced by light and darkness, and it plays a crucial role in regulating your hormones, body temperature, and other essential bodily functions. Now, I know what you're thinking, Dr. Mike. I can't always go to bed and wake up at the exact same time every day, and that's okay. Life happens. The key here is consistency, even on the weekends. Try to keep your sleep and wake times within a 1-hour window, even on your days off. This consistency helps solidify your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can be especially helpful if you're struggling with insomnia or other sleep disorders. It's like resetting your body's internal clock, helping to get your sleep patterns back on track. But the benefits go beyond just falling asleep easier. A regular sleep schedule has been linked to improved mood, better cognitive function, and even a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. So how do you start establishing a consistent sleep schedule? Start by identifying a bedtime and wake-up time that allows for adequate sleep. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, but this can vary slightly from person to person. Once you've determined your ideal sleep window, stick to it as closely as possible, even on weekends. I know, it's tempting to sleep in on Saturdays, but resist the urge. Your body will thank you for it. If you're having trouble adjusting to a new sleep schedule, don't worry, it takes time. Be patient with yourself and make gradual adjustments to your sleep and wake times until you find what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with your new sleep schedule for at least a few weeks to allow your body to adjust and reap the full benefits of a well-regulated circadian rhythm. Think of your bedtime routine as a nightly ritual that signals to your body and mind that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. It's like a transition period that helps you disconnect from the day's stresses and shift into relaxation mode. A consistent bedtime routine can be incredibly powerful in improving your sleep quality. It's all about creating a calming and predictable environment that promotes relaxation and prepares you for a restful night's sleep. So what exactly should your bedtime routine consist of? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, and you can customize it to fit your preferences and lifestyle. However, some relaxing activities that can help signal to your body that it's time to sleep include taking a warm bath or shower, reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing gentle stretching or yoga. Engaging in relaxing activities before bed helps to calm your mind and ease those racing thoughts that often keep us up at night. Think of it as giving your brain permission to power down for the night. Incorporate activities that you find genuinely soothing and enjoyable. Remember, your bedtime routine should be something you look forward to, not another task on your to-do list. Consistency is key when it comes to your bedtime routine. Aim to engage in your chosen activities in the same order each night, ideally for at least 30 minutes to an hour before bed. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with your body's natural melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Dim the lights in your home as you get closer to bedtime. This helps to signal to your body that it's nighttime and time to start winding down. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary by ensuring it's cool, dark, and quiet. We'll delve deeper into optimizing your sleep environment in the next chapter. If you find yourself struggling to fall asleep, don't lie in bed awake for hours. Get out of bed and engage in a relaxing activity until you feel tired, then return to bed. Remember, establishing a relaxing bedtime routine takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't feel natural at first. Be patient with yourself and keep at it. Imagine this. You step into your bedroom and it's a cool, dark and tranquil oasis, inviting you to sink into a deep and restful slumber. That's the power of a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary for sleep, a place where you can escape the stresses of the day and fully unwind. By optimizing your sleep environment, you can significantly improve your sleep quality. Let's start with temperature. Most people sleep best in a slightly cool room, ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. A cooler room temperature helps to lower your body temperature, signaling to your brain that it's time to sleep. Next up, darkness. Remember how we talked about our circadian rhythm being influenced by light and darkness? Well, exposure to light at night can disrupt melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Make sure your bedroom is dark enough to promote restful sleep. Invest in blackout curtains or blinds to block out any street lights or early morning sunlight. Noise can also be a major sleep disruptor. If you live in a noisy environment, consider using earplugs or a white noise machine to create a more peaceful sleep environment. Your bed itself plays a crucial role in sleep quality. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that provide adequate support and comfort. Remember, you're spending a significant portion of your life in bed, so make sure it's a comfortable and inviting space. Keep your bedroom clean and clutter-free. A tidy space promotes a sense of calm and relaxation, while clutter can be distracting and even anxiety-inducing. Reserve your bedroom for sleep and intimacy. Avoid working, watching TV, or using electronic devices in bed. This helps to strengthen the association between your bed and sleep. Consider adding some sleep-promoting elements to your bedroom, such as lavender essential oil, which has been shown to have calming effects. You can use a diffuser or simply sprinkle a few drops on your pillow. Pay attention to any potential allergens in your bedroom, such as dust mites or pet dander, which can interfere with sleep quality. Wash your bedding regularly in hot water and consider using hypoallergenic bedding materials. Small changes to your sleep environment can make a big difference in your sleep quality. Experiment with different elements to create a space that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. We often focus on how sleep affects our physical health, but did you know that what you eat and how much you exercise can also significantly impact your sleep quality? It's all connected. Let's start with diet. What you consume throughout the day can influence your sleep patterns. Aim to eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Avoid large meals or sugary snacks close to bedtime. Eating a heavy meal before bed can interfere with your sleep as your body works to digest the food. Limit your caffeine and alcohol intake, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Caffeine is a stimulant that can keep you awake, while alcohol, although it might initially make you feel sleepy, can disrupt your sleep later in the night. Hydration is crucial for overall health, but be mindful of your fluid intake close to bedtime. Drinking too much before bed can lead to those disruptive nighttime bathroom trips. Now, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity can work wonders for your sleep quality. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Exercise can help to regulate your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. However, avoid intense workouts close to bedtime, as this can make it harder to wind down. If you're struggling with insomnia or other sleep disorders, consider incorporating relaxation techniques like yoga or Tai Chi into your routine. These practices can help to calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Pay attention to how certain foods and drinks affect your sleep. Keep a sleep journal to track your diet, exercise habits, and sleep patterns. This can help you identify any potential triggers that might be interfering with your sleep. Listen to your body's cues. If you're feeling hungry close to bedtime, opt for a light and healthy snack such as a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. Remember, a holistic approach to sleep hygiene involves paying attention to both your physical and mental well-being. By making healthy choices throughout the day, you can set the stage for a restful night's sleep. In our increasingly digital world, it's hard to escape the allure of screens. But when it comes to sleep, those glowing rectangles can be our worst enemies. It's time for a digital detox before bed. Remember how we talked about the importance of darkness for melatonin production? Well, electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops emit blue light, which can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing melatonin production and making it harder to fall asleep. It's like hitting the snooze button on your body's natural sleep cues. Aim to disconnect from all electronic devices at least an hour before bed. This gives your brain a chance to wind down and start producing melatonin naturally. Use that hour before bed for screen-free activities that promote relaxation and sleep. Read a book, take a warm bath, spend time with loved ones, or engage in a relaxing hobby. If you must use electronic devices before bed, consider using blue light blocking glasses or installing a blue light filter on your devices. These tools can help to minimize the amount of blue light reaching your eyes. Create a digital curfew for yourself and stick to it as closely as possible, even on weekends. Consistency is key when it comes to regulating your circadian rhythm. Make your bedroom a screen-free zone. Avoid keeping electronic devices in your bedroom altogether to prevent temptation and minimize sleep disruptions. Instead of scrolling through social media before bed, try reading a book or listening to calming music. These activities can help to quiet your mind and prepare you for sleep. If you find yourself reaching for your phone in the middle of the night, keep it out of arm's reach. Place it across the room or in another room entirely to reduce the temptation to check it. Be mindful of the content you're consuming on your devices, especially close to bedtime. Avoid watching stimulating or stressful shows or movies that might keep your mind racing. Remember, your sleep is precious. Don't let the allure of screens rob you of the restful sleep you deserve. Thanks for watching. Remember, good sleep hygiene is key to a healthier, happier you. By incorporating the tips we've discussed today, you can create a sleep routine that promotes restful nights and energized days. Don't get discouraged if it takes time to see results. Be patient with yourself, listen to your body, and make gradual changes to your sleep habits. Every small step you take towards better sleep is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on living your best life. Sweet dreams?